Riga vent, mechanical ventilation with heat recovery for a fresher, healthier home. The MVHR ductwork can be fitted at first fix stage once the stud walls, external walls, first floor and roof are in place. Semi-rigid ducting is easily pulled through open web joists. Alternate ducting options are available for other construction types such as rectangular PVC duct, which is useful in builds with a limited ceiling void. Rectangular duct can also be concealed within standard stud walls to rise between floors. Rectangular and circular ducts connect easily between floors and within walls. The main unit can be fitted in a loft space, serving the first floor rooms with duct laying on the loft insulation. If preferable, the unit can also be wall mounted within the loft space or other suitable areas such as utility or plant room. The inlet and exhaust outside can go through a gable wall, soffit or roof. Roof terminals need to be fitted by a roofer to ensure water tightness. At this stage, an electrician will need to make provision for a power socket for the unit and a cable for the control switch. The control switch can be located wherever in the house is preferable, not just the loft, and the electrician will need to run the cable for this. A condensate tube will need to be fitted by a plumber to ensure suitable drainage for the system. The condensate tube will exit the loft and connect to a waste pipe. The MVHR second fix can take place once the walls and ceilings have been plastered, ideally before decorating. The vents are fitted and system commissioned in accordance with building regulations. Your Riga MVHR system will meet all ventilation requirements for the property, negating the need to install trickle vents in the windows or extractor fans in the wet rooms.